Welcome back. Standing here in my hallway. Thanks to so many of you for reaching out and just saying, how's your project going? We love following along, so thank you. The project's been great, and there have been so few bumps. But then yesterday, we hit a few speed bumps, and you're gonna laugh at one of the things that I'm just losing my mind over. But anyway, first things first. The floor is done in my kids' bathroom, the hall bathroom, and it's not what I expected, and it's not what I want. So Tim's gonna show you how the floor looks, and then I'll sort of tell you what is wrong with it. So I know the floor looks beautiful, but what I was expecting is I thought there was only going to be one of the little blue tiles as an accent, and instead there are 4. But guess what? It looks fine. I'm gonna deal with it. I know that sounds funny just to say I'm gonna deal with it, but it looks beautiful, and perhaps I just wasn't clear with the tile guy that I only wanted one tiny little accent instead of 4. So basically, I think it was a lack of communication on my part. I'm gonna live with it. It looks fine. Let's move. Let's move to the issue that I'm having in my head and actually on the countertop. So when I arrived yesterday, the fellows were here installing my new countertop, and what a difference. I walked in, I said, wow, because I had had the dark granite and I've switched to white quartz because I'm going white quartz here, backsplash, and then navy cabinets. But the more I looked, I realized, wait, this isn't right. And they say sports is a game of inches. Well, countertops are a game of inches. So one of my big pet peeves is when the kitchen cabinets end, but the countertops and the tile continue. So I ordered a new cabinet to go to here, so that, and then the tile backsplash will go to here, and then my countertop, because that's the way it was before, would go to here. But as you can see, the countertop is 2 inches too long, and I'm losing it over this 2 inches, whereas the bathroom floor is wrong. I'm like, it's fine, we'll just deal with it. But this 2 inches is throwing me off. And this cabinet, I'm paying extra. So I'm paying extra for the cabinet to have the tile and the cabinet meet. So there just wasn't any way I wanted to just deal with 2 inches. Crazy as it sounds. So the good news is the countertop is going to come off, and they're going to fix it because it was their mistake. The lines were clear on the wall where the countertop was supposed to end, and someone else came in and drew here. So someone else decided they didn't like my design, so they're gonna have to fix it. And it's just a teeny tiny little bump, but if you're planning a project or if you're in the middle of a project, you have to come down and check on it or make sure that you have someone looking out for you, because inches do matter. So I hope you enjoyed my little, the little hissy fit that I had yesterday, and we'll see you on the next episode.